What's up, readers? Let's do a quick little update on Plug. Let's see where Plug is at. Plug Power, one of Howie's general faves. So I haven't done anything to my chart. All my lines are the same. So if you've been following the plug analysis, I haven't changed anything, kind of whatever off screen out of these videos. We're looking at the monthly level, and I just pulled this up at monthly level, and it's really interesting. So if we actually take off all these lines, you'll see that we have a very standard situation here where we've broken up through all the moving averages above the 200 monthly moving average, made our high, right, into the 70s, and we came back down, right? So this is a retest, and so this is the interesting thing. We have come back down. This candle did not retest the 200 moving average, right? This candle has. So we could theoretically say that this is a retest of the 200 moving average that occurred in May. Now the only thing is that the chart still looks a little. And okay, I was just checking out. Like, we're super kind of oversold. RSI stochastic down here, yeah. So generally I think the bottom is in. Generally I think the bottom is in, but this chart still looks bearish. So we got to kind of be maybe a little bit careful. We have to just watch this one because we do have this shorter moving average, 8-period moving average crossing over the 21 moving average here. However, all of the moving averages have crossed up above the 200. So part of the reason we want to be a little bit cautious is that this might not be the full retest of the 200 moving average yet, right? So we still might have a candle or two to put in a nice reversal candle off the 200 moving average. So we don't yet know if this is the actual low, right? I think generally the bottom is in, but we still want a nice reversal candle, right? At the monthly level, and at the weekly level, of course. But this is really interesting. Like, without any lines, without any charts, just moving averages break up, and now we're retesting, and we expect the bounce at the retest. Just the general concept of support, resistance, and all of that. Okay, so let's take a look at the lines again. Let's go down to the weekly level. So what I was watching and waiting for was this right here, which is the weekly level bounce off of the 200-period moving average. So we've kind of hugged it for like 1, 2, 3 weeks. I mean, maybe you could say 4 weeks, maybe, right? So we're kind of hugging this. Now, the only potential issue here is that similar to that monthly level, right? We're sort of squeezing between supports and resistance at the moment. And like I said, we may not have really put the full bottom in just yet. If we scroll all the way back here, this line comes from this high, this previous high here. So this resistance level around $12 hasn't been retested, right? So we broke up through that a long time ago in 2020. We actually never really retested that 12. So that's what's potentially happening here. And the kind of, I guess, speculation that we can make, or I don't want to say prediction, but we can watch for the probability of getting our strong reversal candle and the actual bounce off of 12. So you can see off of the $12 point, right? Because you can see, sure, we got to the 200 here, but we haven't hit that 12 yet. Even with this candle, did not hit 12. So it's very possible that this little kind of squeeze we're seeing, or a little consolidation, is that it needs to hit that 12. It needs to hit that 200, really hit that 200 monthly moving average, probably put a wick down below it, right? And give us a nice reversal candle. So what we'll probably end up seeing is a nice reversal candle off of this $12 level. and a nice reversal candle off that 200 monthly moving average at the monthly chart, right? So let's actually extend this line. So I'm going to say, yeah, okay. We're just going to kind of keep this the same. We're just going to watch for that 12. We're going to see if we get a nice kind of spike or reversal candle around 12 and around the 200 monthly moving average. Generally, it looks overall bullish, that it wants to turn bullish, but it's not really at like a buy zone yet. Even if you're dollar cost averaging, I would suggest that you wait a little bit, unless you're really into this long term. Put a little bit in around at this point. You could, like, all of this could get blasted out with some big old green candle, right? That just says, okay, we're moving now. But I think there's some kind of little dip that still needs to happen, and we still need strong reversal candles. Okay, that's the update for Plug. So cheers, guys. Give a like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff, and we'll talk again soon. Peace.